What is up, beautiful people? Welcome to episode one of Rainbow. I saw a YouTube video about this game a few weeks ago. Yeah, I was super interested in playing it. Today we're gonna give it a try. Alright, let's go. The Survivor, a nimble omnivore of predator and prey, lost in a harsh and different land. You must make your way with wit and caution as your greatest asset. Hunter. And I can't pick this. I can't pick one. Quick hunter. Strong and quick, with a fierce metabolism, requiring a steady diet of meat. But the stomach won't be your only concern, as the path of hunter is one of extreme peril. A monk, weak of body but strong of spirit, in tune with the mysteries of the world and empathetic to its creatures, your journey will be significantly more peaceful one. Nah, we want to fight. I say we go for the survival. Yeah, let's go. The wallpaper, yeah, pretty nice. Another wallpaper, another wallpaper. The art is nice. Oh, we're eating bats. COVID. COVID all over again. Oh, nah, nah, nah. I'm guessing that's us. Don't worry, bro, I got you. Maybe not. Fuck your family. Maybe not fuck your family, but I got you, bro. I'm guessing that little guy is us. We gotta survive. I've heard that in this game, you, as the main character, you don't matter. You got some controls. You move with arrows. And Z for jump, X for throw, shift, pick up, and eat. Alright, pretty simple. We got a map as well. Also small map, but I think that's not the full one though. Alright, let's go. I really want to play a game where like you don't feel like the main character, you know? My friend told me this is one of the games where it's like you're a nobody. You are hungry, find food. Can I get up here? Hold on. Bro, buddy, jump. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm guessing. Is that bullshit food? New area? Can I, can I climb this? Ah, I can climb the ropes. Oh. Catch and eat the fucking bugs. Ah, bro. How do I catch them? I got him. Am I auto-eating him? How am I eating? Come here, bro. The fuck? I got him. Yeah, eat that motherfucker. Oh, you gotta press it like thrice and twice. Yeah. Oh, I gotta hold it. 4 is enough to hibernate. I'll get the other one as well. Yeah. Is this guy like where I should go? There's another spot here. Yeah. Jump and grab. Yeah, the blue things are food. Oh, alright. No. Do I just explore? There's another room here. Yeah. No, fuck off, bro. The guy. Oh, I got it. Sit down, hold said. Yeah, the rain is coming. Find shelter. What? Run? I want to go up. I want to see what's there. What the fuck? I just. Not supposed to be here. Shit. 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 Fuck. Alright, alright. I'll leave, I'll leave, I'll leave, I'll leave, I'll leave. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm not gonna jump. I go down. Nah, bro. Nah, we're back at the start. Nah, that's crazy. What the fuck? Alright. At least now we know what to do, yeah? Follow in. Gonna find the flies. Eat the bugs. That's all the one. Another bit. Got him. Go get the fucking water real quick. Guys, I'm new to YouTube, but I'm trying to figure this thing out. Let me know what other games you guys want me to play. I'd happily try out any game. The weirder, the better. Better. Weirder. I'm thinking of playing Clash Royale next. Oh, Guardian. Alright, this time we'll fuck about it. I'll go find shelter quick. Continue to the next cycle, right? I'm guessing this is a checkpoint. I have a huge fear of claustrophobia, so I'm not a fan of these checkpoints yet. Well, we haven't found predators yet, yeah. Come here, you fucking. Got to. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. Can we go up here? Yeah. What's our goal? I'm like super fucking confused. Are we just fucking about? Can't do nothing there. New spot. Can we go up there? Yo, what the fuck is that? Fuck no. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, I didn't know we could fucking go through. No, man, what the fuck, bro? What is he taking me as well? Alright, let's look. Let's see. What the fuck is he taking me? Relax, bro. Nah, he's molesting me at this point. What the fuck? Just eat me, man. Ban me. G. Fine. Alright, do we start from the beginning? Or no, the hibernation. Like claustrophobia. Alright, then it's gonna be very damn close. I wonder if I could have killed that fucking fuckwit. Okay. Godzilla. Go up here. And then there. Oh, that guy's fucking there again. But no. One for there, not for here. And fuck to where is he? I got eaten here last time. Always a bigger fish. He's there again, bro. What the fuck, man? I guess we gotta go there. Where's it here? Oh, sure, we can go there. No, I think. Fuck no. I'm not sure I wanna go there though. Fucking guy with that. Yeah, bro. No, fuck this. He saw me. Pretty sure. I guess we have to. I guess we gotta go there, bro. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Fast. Oh, he's not gone. He's not gone. Fuck. Yo. What the fuck? Fucking juke, bro. Fuck this guy. Fucking juke him. Man, I've been feeling a lot like this fucking rat. Like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? I want nothing to do with that book. As I was saying, I've been feeling a lot like this rat lately. You know, I moved to a different city. I moved to Amsterdam. Oh, no, fuck no, fuck no, fuck no, fuck no. It's pink now. So I moved to Amsterdam, right? And everything's just like so new. It feels like this wasteland. And I'm just traveling, trying to find a way. I don't even know where I'm going, what I'm trying to do. Exactly like this game, man. Except for the fucking Godzilla monsters. Yo, I can get down. Oh shit, shit, shit. I gotta nuke this guy. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Nah. What the fuck? The rope's a fucking predator as well. As I was saying, I've been feeling a lot like this fucking event. I'm super confused all the time. Everything feels like dangerous, like this fucking. I don't know. Yeah, a fun nitbit for you guys. You know what? I'm gonna call it then. Uh, I'll try and go further next time. I don't know if I can. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to watch another episode of this or what other games you might want me to play. It was your boy. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like. Hope you all have a good day.